Hello, everyone. I'm Tony Huang from DASE-SING Group. I'm the executive assistant of our president. Today's presentation will be about string-sleeve films and efficiency production in terms of technical advancement and commercial aspects. Okay, firstly, the presence of DASE-SING. We have 3 factories, and one in Chiayi, Taiwan, Hsinchu, Taiwan, and the last one in Shanghai, China. We have been established in 1985, and we have 200 plus employees, and we have marketed in more than 80 countries. Here is some of our partners which we have been cooperated before. You can see that Coca-Cola, Unilever, Pepsi, Dabur, Lavi, and so many other brands that we have to work with. This is some of the final products of our customer in HPC industry. So now brands are looking for ways to engage with consumers and increase return of marketing investment, cut cost, and optimize the supply chain. Also connect digital campaign with the real products, reduce time to market, and be eco-friendly, which is the big issue right now. And here are some limitations that brand owners may encounter. Firstly, having difficulty increasing the production efficiency. And secondly, will be the could not find suitable supplier for realizing their new product in production line quickly. Then the third one will be could not find supplier providing integrated solution for both machine and the label. Lastly will be the poor service, could not get timely response from supplier. So for the first issue, how can DASE-SING help? Firstly, DASE-SING machine built with a robust mechanical design. And then we use a well-known brand of the component which provide long endurance to decrease the downtime. And then we have a variety of Unwinder solution can minimize the time lost in label splicing. And the next one will we have the experience to help identify the problem and offer suggestion to solve the problem quickly, as we have the both experience in machine and label. And the last one will be because we have the most advanced software construction, give most precise calculation. The second issue, could not find suitable supplier for realizing the product in production line quickly. Firstly, because we have a variety of sleeving peripheral equipment like orientation machine, underlapping machine, perforation device, vision system, and many other devices to achieve the desired bottle design requirement. And second one will be we have the capability and the product range to achieve mostly product requirement. We are expert in string sleeve material and a sleeve applicator. So we can evaluate a problem as a whole. Then we can customize according to the customer's needs. The third issue, could not find supplier providing integrated solution of both machine and the label. How can DASE-SING help? Because as I mentioned before, we manufacture both machine and label, so we have the knowledge from both fields to give an integrated solution to our customer. So you can avoid two different suppliers blaming each other instead of solving problem with the integrated point of view. The fourth issue, then poor service could not get timely response from supplier. DASE-SING always help customer in a timely manner in different ways, such as remote access assistance, from our engineer, and our service continued even during the COVID-19 outbreak. So we never stop our service. And also we have experience in shrink sleeve and applicator, so we can identify any critical problem and help customer to solve it quickly. Because when you have different supplier, sometimes the service can be very efficient because they might blame each other for some different problem. For example, machine will say label problem, label manufacturer will say machine problem. So you never get a integrated view of a solution. So what does HPC brand owner need? Firstly, most customers they want to reduce time to market. So firstly, one-stop supplier for the film and the machine, reduce the time of communication and quickly solve any problem with the film and the machine. Also, you can save some cost if you have a one-stop supplier. And then it will be fast time to market. Shrink sleeve is a powerful tool for fast time to market because it allows you to use the same bottle design and quickly change the design of shrink sleeve to suit different promotion campaigns. And also, the digital printing is another reason for fast time to market because you can have print do a sampling with a small volume to mock up and any products, and there's no need for printing plate or and everything can be done digitally, so you can also save a lot of time and cost as well. So here's some film application for different bottles, and this is the white film for HPC. It allows better blockage of UV light to protect the content inside the bottle. And this is the low temperature shrink film. This is especially for products that are very heat sensitive. So here's some video about milk powder. Okay, this customer bought more than 10 machines for only this milk powder lines. And then for reducing transportation cost, a lot of some customer is switching from glass bottle to PET bottles, and you can reduce a significant amount of weight in transportation and minimize the influence on environment. And the other way is the thickness of a PET shrink sleeve now can reduce for 30 micron, and this is a 25% decrease compared to 40 micron as original thickness. This allows brand owner to reduce production and transportation cost. PET and can also be recycled, so there's no problem with the sustainability of the packaging. So here's some our core business for film printing and machinery. So first, the printing machine, we have the rotogravure printing for 16 colors. And here's some of the products that we can do with the rotogravure printing. The so you can see on the top left, there's shrinkable tube seals. This can be applied for HPC pest products, pest tube products. And then we have the shrink sleeve label for various bottle, like embossed tactile printing labels, two-side printing labels, PE or POF multi-function films. We can provide a variety of products. Here's some ideas for digital printing. It allows you to have a mass customization, and one-off production, spatial edition, variable data, personalization, versioning, and multi-SKUs, and also seasonal versions. Here's some examples of digital printing. So you can see basically use the same bottle, but you use digital printing to change maybe the color or some of the fruits change, and or maybe you see the one in the middle. You have like a newspaper. You can read it while you're drinking. So you can do a frequent change in uh, the content. So this is embossed tactile printing. So you can, when you touch the printing, you can actually feel it. And also you can also add extra UV light to glow in the dark. So you can see the photo on the right. And here's some packaging type that we can do with our machine. The cap seal type and overall full body, fixed middle body, underlap, labeling, and also some orientation as well. So here's a special application for tear tap application. So it, this device is installed on the machine to allow you to have a tear tap to open the capsule easily without hurting your nails. And we have a successful story for the machine. And this is a customer in Israel. It's called Polycat. Is the foremost developer of manufacturing plastic packaging for food, cosmetic, poultry, detergent, and chemical industry. And customer has also the bottle shape, and they need high flexibility and enable bottles from 15 milliliter to 1 liter to run on our machine. So they bought already full machine with this model that is a 200p P2 applicator and with a 2.8 meter steam tunnel. So everything the steam pressure can be adjust outside the tunnel, so you don't need to stop the tunnel and adjust. It saves a lot of time. And also we have a very high flexibility as they have many different of product shape or sizes as you see in the photos. So high flexibility and professional solution and innovation. Professional is because we have a long experience in this sensitive fields, and we always give our customer easiest application explanation to help customers to solve their issue. Innovation is that we always provide some feasible solution for our customers' innovation. Also, we also provide some idea to their innovation as well. And here's some is a high-speed HPC sync sleep solution with the iSleep Pro 2. Can run up to 1000 BPM with two-head machine, and you can use thin material as well. But as you use thin material, the thinner you go, the speed will be decreased accordingly. Okay. Here's one of the uh, high-speed line that we done with the customer in Korea, which is called Lotte. They provide beverage and soft drinks. They are a top-class integrated beverage company, and they have a solid leadership in the domestic beverage can market. And they bought the single head machine and also double head machine as well, and run from 500 to 720 ppm. So why does Lotte choose DASE-SING? because we have reliable high-speed applicator uh, sup- which will run from 500 to 720. We can run even faster, but this is on the requirement that they needed. So we have been their supplier since 2009. Secondly, we solve all the uncertainty through integrated solution of machine and the label as well. And we are the reliable partners in terms of problem solving, integrated solution, and quick response on service. So next one we have a wide caliber machine. So this is for large size um, sleeping machine. Can run up to 150 bottles per minute. So you can see we have sold this machine to milk powder uh, customers, and this is the one of the accumulator which available for the machine. So you can see the label can be sized without stopping the machine. So this is in the Coca-Cola plant. Okay, and this is another type of unwinder. Is multi-label unwinder. This is we provide eight label connected together, so you can extend your production time. Also, in the future, can be combined with AGV. Then DASE-SING equipment for gentle gen is another successful story. So this customer produced a laundry detergent products launched by well-known Indonesia brand, and they bought many machine for a single head machine with accumulator unwinder with a 2.8 meters steam tunnel. So you see on the left is their final product, and this machine has been customized with the perforation device. So when you tear off the top part of the label, you can still have keep the bottom part for the label awareness. So you can tear the vertical perforation of the label first, then next the horizontal perforation. This is the feedback from the engineer, and the customer told us that the engineer of DASE-SING have rich on-site experience, which can adjust possible cause of the problem from the known conditions of on the site, and then propose a good solution. We we also have good logistic support, which can quickly transport the required testing instrument and machine to a customer's factory to solve the problem smoothly. Then here's the on the lab machine. So when customer want to have the label cover bottom of the bottle, then you can use this kind of technology. You can see in the photos. Here's another successful story, and it's the under lap sleeve accessory for Dabur. Dabur is a health supplementary product from a well-known brand in India, and you can see the photo on the left. This is the final products, and okay, and this case, they have a 200p applicator machine with the underlap machine running around 100 around 200 bottles per minute. So we still have a new project with a double in recent years as well. We continue as a long-term partners for their new products as well. And this is a bottle orientator for orienting the bottles. So this allows the bottle to match with the label design. So you can see some of the example here. You can see the video here. So because they do this orientation, because they want the consumer when they drink and they can always see the label, the logo on the same side. So they have a consistent brand image. So you can see this is some of the bottle of our customer project. Okay, we also can do inspection and rejection up to 750 bottles per minute. We can do tape connection, label position, and presence of the label. Other functions can be customized, depends on the situation. Then we have a data collection for Industrial 4.0, and this is the called Official UA Signal Exchange Protocol. A lot of the turnkey company has been using this protocol with us, so this makes the data exchange easier. And this is iLabeler. This is the OPP Hotmail Rotary labeling machine. We can go with the speed maximum 700 BPM. We can do round bottles or square bottle. So also have a high flexibility. And non-stop label feeding as well. So you can change label without stopping the machine. And here is some special sleeve solution for HPC tube products. And customer only needs to make sure the infill of the tube in the, is the same direction before entering the applicator. We use a special device to make the tube stand upright automatically and the tube is sleep vertically. So you can see the picture at the bottom to show some idea of this application. And then this is the actual successful story for this application. This is the Likim key have 100 to 200 choices of sauce condiments over 100 countries. And they do a capsule on a tube with 120 BPM. And we this can also use for in personal care products. It's okay. Okay, thank you. That's all my presentation. Please see the bottom. There's contact information for our sales. If you have any problem, please contact us. We will share more information about your solution. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tony Wong. Thank you for those great, very informative presentation. And there are several questions in the chat box already waiting for you to answer. Oh, by the way, I also informed that we have some experts from DASE-SING as well in the chat box, Vicky. You can ask some questions to Vicky too. Vicky might gonna answer them in text. Hi, Tony. Please join me with the live Q&A platform.
Yes.
What
Okay.
happened to your virtual
Uh,
background? Your virtual background is gone.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah, but no worries. Yeah, we can still. Oh, why? Oh, it can. Oh, anyway. Hi, Tony. Welcome. Very good
Oh, yeah.
presentation, I have to say. Very good presentation. Shall we
Thank you.
tackle
Thank you.
some Q&A?
Yeah, I'll republish it, but did it come up?
Oh, sorry. That's
Okay.
for me. Yeah, because I just
Okay, I'll publish
deleted.
again. Okay.
Yes, please do it.
Okay. For this question, for application of lipstick, we have concern that it's not easy for consumer to open the seal. Do you have any solution for this? As I mentioned before, that we have a device that we can integrate in our machine to have to create the tear tap on the top of the seal, so it can allow the consumer to open the seal easily without hurting the fingers or the nails. So I think this is the solution for easy opening. Yeah.
Okay. Next time, if you have any sample, you can also show us.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, it's the sample's not with me. So
Of course.
maybe
Let's
next time yeah.
okay. Let's go to the next
Okay.
question.
Next one is this one. For shampoo or other cleansing products, is there a solution for shrink sleeve to cover the bottom of the bottle? Okay, for this, we can be done by our underlapping machine, so which we can uh, make the sleeve go down to the bottom of the sleeve and make it shrink, so you can cover up the whole bottle and to create a luxury look of your product. As you see on my background on the right, there's one example that is covering the bottom of the bottle.
The blue one
Yes.
or the pink one?
Oh, I mean the white one.
Oh, the white one, the pink one. Yeah, okay. The Lux.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
We have more new questions coming up. So delegates, seize your chance. Tony Wong gonna answer those questions within his live Q&A session.
Okay. The next one, is there a sustainable solution for the shrink sleeve packaging? Uh, there are a lot of supplier trying to create different ways of sustainable packaging. Uh, there's some few solutions like perforation on sleeves. We already know quite common, but there's a new application in like PCR shrink sleeves material and wash off inks in certain temperature, and also self opening seam. Also, you can you don't when it is being washed off in a certain temperature of water or liquid, and it will open up automatically without any manual work. So they will be easier for recycling. And the other one will be the LDPET. So it's the low density PET material, so which can be float on the recycling process. So there are many other solutions that is still being developed, but many of this
Can be
solution will be
used.
mass production in the future, in a very near future. But now it's not still very costly because it's not very common right now. So, but I think you'll get more economic feasible in the future.
Interesting. Okay, Tony,
Yes.
I have to say, due to the time limitation, you might gonna choose next question as your final question, or you can simply jump to the conclusion. Which way do you like?
I will see if there's any question. Packaging, can you compute it now if there's dimensional quantities? Can switch. What is it? We can. Okay, for this one, what is the pros and cons of gravure and digital printing that we can consider in the design developing strict wrap? Because now consumer habit is changing quickly, so I think they will be more feasible for digital printing right now. Because for gravure, you have to uh, buy the printing plate and you have to order a big amount of the labels, so you have to have a costly stock. But for digital printing, you can print in very small amount and you can change your design very frequently according to different seasons or any promotion. Uh, practice. So it's very easy for your quick changing market environment. So I think the digital printing will be the future, and now I think many brands are adopting right now. Yeah.
I see. Thank you for giving
Okay.
us the market trend and some of the future insights as well. And I'm looking forward to see you bring us some products as sample as well next time. I'm looking
Okay.
forward to see it.
No
And Tony
problem.
Wong, thank you for gracing our event today. And I'm looking forward to see you in our future events. Thank you,
Okay.
Tony.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.